All right, biology enthusiasts, today I'm going to unravel the mystery behind how our muscles work. Let's dive into the sliding filament mechanism of muscle contraction. Firstly, picture your muscles as a team of tiny, hard-working machines. The basic unit of a muscle is the sarcomere. Think of it as the tiniest building block, the Lego brick of muscle structure. Inside each sarcomere, you'll find two main types of protein filaments, actin and myosin. Actin filaments are thin, while myosin filaments are thick. These filaments slide past each other to make your muscles contract. How does this sliding happen? Let's find out. When your brain sends a signal to your muscle, it releases calcium ions. Calcium is the key player here. It binds to a protein called troponin, which is attached to the actin filament. This causes a change in shape and moves another protein, tropomyosin, out of the way. Now the myosin heads are ready to bind to the actin filaments. Here comes the power stroke. Myosin heads, with their cocked positions full of energy, latch onto the actin filaments. They pull the actin filaments towards the center of the sarcomere, like a rower pulling on the oars. This pulling action shortens the sarcomere, and voila, your muscle contracts. But wait, there's more. After the power stroke, ATP comes into play. Yes, that's right, the energy currency of the cell. ATP binds to the myosin head, causing it to detach from the actin filament. The myosin head then resets, ready to bind again. This cycle of binding, pulling, and releasing continues, creating a smooth and sustained muscle contraction. So let's recap. The sliding filament mechanism involves actin and myosin filaments within the sarcomere. Calcium ions and ATP are essential for the process. This intricate dance of proteins allows your muscles to contract, enabling everything from lifting weights to typing on your keyboard. Isn't it fascinating how such tiny components work together to create movement? Next time you flex your bicep or take a step, remember the sliding filaments working tirelessly behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more engaging biology content, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep exploring and stay curious.